Here is another cute pattern. Looks like diamond, and then when you take a closer look, they are little butterfly. But when we actually jump to knit this, you'll see that these are two cables with only 2 stitches in each side. For starting this pattern, you need to cast on multiple of 10 plus 4 and plus 2 for the sides. Let's see how it works. Pick up your side stitch, and we're going to swap the first 2 stitches together, and we're going to keep the right one above. So I'm going to pick up the second one from the back, swap these, move both of them to the left needle, and just knit them. Now we're going to do the same thing with the next 2 stitch, but we're going to keep the second stitch above the first one. So I'm going to move them both to the right needle, pick up the second one, and swap them together and knit them again. So if you take a look, you'll see that the 2 stitches from the sides coming to the middle, and the 2 that they were in the middle are in the side now. Now we're gonna knit 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna repeat what we're just done. So there is another easy way to swap these 2 together, and if you practice a little bit you can do it as well, and it's to knit the second one first and then knit the first one, and you see they swap together, and the first one is in the middle now. Now we're going to swap the next 2 stitches together, move them to the right needle, pick up the first one from the back, swap them, and knit them again. And just going to repeat that again. Knit 6 stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again I'm gonna knit the second one from the back and knit the first one. Then you're gonna slip both of them to the right needle, swap them together, and knit. At the end, you're going to knit the last 6 stitches, and then you're going to reach to another little butterfly to make at the end. When you work on the back or the wrong side, you're going to purl all the stitches. So this is all purl in the back in all the even rows. I'm gonna knit those and we'll see what happened to the third row. I purled the second row, and this is row 3. We're gonna work on those 4 stitches again, and we're gonna bring the 2 middle one to the sides again, but this time we're gonna keep the middle ones above the side ones, and it's just by slipping the first 2 in the right needle, pick up the first one, simply swap them together and knit. For the next two, if you are comfortable to knit the second one first and then knit the first one, that's easy. Otherwise, you can swap them again by picking up the second stitch from the back and swap it with the first one. Move both of them to the left needle and just simply knit. And you can see our little butterfly is shaping here. Okay, I'm gonna knit 6 stitches, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna do this again. Slide them to the right, pick up the first, swap them together and knit. And for the next one, either knit the second one first and knit the first one, or simply swap them. And here is our little butterfly in here. So continue this row to the end, and when you are done, you're gonna purl in the 4th row again. Okay, I purled all row 4, and this is row 5. As you see, the butterfly is shaped, and we need to move the pattern in between the 2 butterflies that we already created. But before doing that, we need to place some space between them. So we're gonna knit 1 row, and we're gonna purl the 2nd row, which would be row 5 and row 6. And then, all right, I knitted 1 row and purled another row, and this is row 7. In this row, we're gonna move our pattern in between the last 2 ones. And to just see where you should place that, we have 1 side stitch, and we had these 4 stitches from the last pattern, so we're gonna knit all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, we had 6 stitches between the 2 butterflies. We're gonna knit 1 in this side, 1 in the other side, and the 4 in between will shape our next butterfly. So when you count that, and let's do it again here, the pattern for the right side, and slip these 2 to the right, swap them, knit them. And when you shape your pattern, you'll see that this row is actually exactly above the other butterfly. So if you follow that, you'll see they are exactly above each other. So that would be your clue to see you are in a right path. And when you are done with your 4 stitches, you're gonna knit 6 again, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we come exactly above the other butterfly that we're gonna swap the stitches together and shape our pattern. So remember, when you are doing the pattern, all you are shaping is that moving the side stitches to the middle in the first row, and then put them in the side again in the next row. This is a really beautiful pattern. Imagine that you are wearing that in your sleeve, and it's really pretty. I hope you knit that and enjoy it. Happy knitting!